Hi, Barry from Recreational Power Sports. Here we have a 2026 Arctic Cat Alterra 600. We'll just point out some of the features. Of course, you've got your front bumper. You have your winch as well. Walk along the side. As you can see on this one, it is a beautiful camo color. And we have done a few upgrades. I'll mention those after. Walk around to the back. We have that upgraded rack as well on the back as we do on the front. 2-inch receiver for towing. And on this one, we did add different tires, just a little bit more of aggressive tire. It does look a lot better on here. We also added a Copeland gun boot. These have the padded insert in them so that your gun does not get all marked up. And then if you walk around to the front again, we can just see that the extended rack. And really, that's about it. These are brand new, full warranty on them. Come down and see them, Recreational Power Sports.